Hey explorers, let's enrich your English today with synonyms for candid, a classy word for being open, honest, and real. First one I have for you is frank. Tells about the direct and truthful, even if it's blunt. He gave a frank opinion about the proposal. Forthright, honest, and outspoken. She is known for her forthright answers in meetings. Blunt, honest, but sometimes too direct. His blunt feedback surprised everyone. Straightforward, clear, and to the point. The manager was straightforward about the challenges. Unreserved, open without holding back. He spoke with unreserved honesty about the mistake. Keep your words candid and your speech classy. Subscribe for more sharp vocabulary upgrades.